everyone, welcome to Extraordinary Taste. If you're looking for an easy yet incredibly flavorful chicken dish, look no further than soy sauce chicken wings. These wings are simply braised in soy sauce and sugar, creating a perfect balance of savory and sweet that's sure to delight. Let's get started. Wash the wings in cold water to remove any slime, blood, and feathers. Recently, I came across a study that suggests refraining from washing meat to prevent the spread of bacteria in the kitchen. So clean the wings in whatever ways you prefer. 8 to 9 whole wings, around 2 pounds. Marinate about 1 teaspoon of salt for at least several hours or overnight to impart some taste. Place them in a strainer, cover, and let them air dry in the fridge. I was planning to cook the wings in whole. However, some of them have bruises on the tips, so I'm going to cut them into portions and discard the tips. If you place your knife at the joint correctly, separating the parts can be very easy. Alright, that's all the preparation for the wings. You also need about 1 ounce ginger slice, 2 ounces rock sugar, or 3 tablespoons brown sugar. Rock sugar is more ideal for this dish because of its milder sweetness that complements the savory flavor without being overpowering. Preheat a pan with 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Make sure the wings are dry to minimize splattering and brown more easily. Pan fry for about 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat or until it turns golden brown. This step is useful in eliminating the gamey taste from the chicken and enhancing the dish's overall flavor. While pan frying the other side, add in the ginger and rock sugar. Continue to cook for a few minutes. The rock sugar will become brittle when heated. It can then be easily crushed into small pieces. Stir constantly until the rock sugar dissolves and caramelizes. If you're using brown sugar, sprinkle it over the wings only after both sides have turned golden brown. The wings are now half cooked. We're now going to braise them in the soy sauce for a few minutes on each side. Add in about half to 3/4 cups of water. The amount of water depends on how many wings and the parts you're cooking. Wingette only takes less time to cook, so aim to reduce the sauce to a glaze in 6 to 8 minutes for a tender and juicy result. Add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons dark soy sauce for richer color. Cover and cook for 3 minutes over medium-high heat. The sauce should have thickened up a bit after a couple minutes. Flip the side to get a consistent color. Keep a close eye on the sauce in the last few minutes to prevent it from drying out. If the sauce is too watery, increase the heat to evaporate some of the excess liquid. Turn off the heat when the sauce has thickened enough to cling to the wings, kind of like this consistency. At last, add in a tablespoon of rose wine or your favorite cooking wine. The wine adds another layer of flavor and helps eliminate the gamey odor of the wings. Drizzle the remaining sauce on top. Garnish with some greens to give the dish a finishing touch. Very simple, and it can be done in less than 15 minutes. Give it a try. You're going to love these delicious savory sweet chicken wings. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.